guys, it's me, and in today's video we are changing the pixel rate because we are playing Minecraft, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make kind of like your own skin. Okay, so I got these two skins that I added on Minecraft. So it's this axolotl skin and this skin. It's super cute. I love it. I play Minecraft with it. Okay, so basically you need to go to wait a second. So basically I went on Google over here and I searched rare Minecraft girl skins, okay? And I went on this site, the Skin Dex, and I clicked on it, and here they had like a lot of skins for girls where I got my Axel skin from. And I'm just looking for a skin. For example, I'm gonna take this skin, okay? And you're gonna close this and it asks you. And this is where you see your skin, like the skin that you are going to get, and you can change the positions to see how it goes and stuff like that. I'm gonna click here, download. And over here you're gonna have your download skin and you're gonna click on it, and this is it. And then I'm gonna go over here to the three dots, save as, and I'm gonna save it like this. Then you're gonna click on next and go back on Minecraft. Okay, so I'm back on Minecraft and I'm gonna go over here on edit character. I'm gonna go on okay over here and just go over here to skins, choose new skin, and I'm gonna here and import it. And I'm gonna choose the female body, this one on the left, and this is how it's supposed to look. It's super pretty. So thanks so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for me. Thank you. And go and comment if you want to see me playing Minecraft with any of the skins, or if you want me to make more tutorials. Okay, bye bye.